Hello techies! Alright, in this lab 4.2.9 we are going to configure IP addresses. You work as the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You need to configure the workstation in the executive office so that it can connect to the local network and the internet. The workstation has two network interface cards named Ethernet and Ethernet 2. Having two network cards allow the workstation to connect to the local network as shown in the exhibit, and another small network which is not yet built. In this lab, your task is to configure IP version 4 TCP/IP using the settings specified in the table below for network cards. From the executive office, ping the preferred DNS server assigned to the Ethernet NIC to verify that it can communicate successfully. And this is the table that we are going to be making use of for this configuration. All right, so we go ahead and start lab. Now if this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm really sorry about that. You can always pause the video and then walk at your own pace. Match every move I make in the video. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible for you all, so we'll just wait for this to load. Okay, that's loaded successfully. And then the first task is to configure IP version 4 TCP/IP using the settings specified. So we go into start menu and we go into settings, and then network. Let's expand this so that you can see. Click public, configure. Yep. No. So we go to edit and see the details of the network here, and then we're going to configure this as follows. This is going to be 192.168.0.0 .2. Okay, this is going to be 192.168.0.5, and this is going to be 163. Yes, the ones with yep. And the alternate address is going to be 163.128.80.93. and let's see, let's cross check and see if there's any mistake here. Let's see, and we're missing something. This is going to be 255.255.0. okay, all right, there's a mistake there, so we've corrected it. Sorry about that. And let's see, what else do we need to correct here? While trying to make this as fast as possible for you all so that the video won't be too long, sometimes I can make mistakes, so I have to cross check. So we save and let's see, what else are we doing? What else are we doing in this video? So we go to yep, and then Ethernet. Let's see, let's go to more network adaptive options and Ethernet 2 properties and Internet protocol properties. Use the following IP address. So this is going to be 192.168.0.255. so 255. So okay, so let's see. Okay, close this and let's go to start. Go to terminal and we are going to ping this just to test and see if it pings true. See, then we ping 163.128.80.93. okay, so this is successful here. Let's check our answers. Now if this video was helpful, remember to share on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.